Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get your photos to talk or sing using Hedra. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to hedra.com, make sure that you're logged in, and once you're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. If you don't see this, then you'll want to select Create, and that should bring you to this page. Here we have three different sections. We've got our character section here in the middle, and this is where you're going to bring in your photo, which I have done already. And then here on the left is where you're going to add your audio. You can either write script for the lip sync, or you can record something, or you can upload something. We'll go ahead and record something here, and pardon my singing, but we'll just have some fun with this here. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself. Alright, just being silly here. Let's see how that sounds. All by myself. Okay, so now we have that, and we have here our prompt. We're going to put man singing. We'll just keep it simple. You can get more detailed with your prompts, but many times with Hedra, you don't really need to do that. We'll go ahead and hit generate video now, and we'll let that start working. That's just going to take a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, so Hedra has completed its work. We'll go ahead and take a look at that now. So here is our render. We'll go ahead and hit play. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself. Okay, so there you go. That is how you can make a photo sing or talk using Hedra. It's a fun app. It's very powerful. It's probably one of the better lip sync models that's out there right now, and I would highly recommend it. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.